Hi and welcome to our channel. This is our very first Plan With Us episode, and to start off this season we have a brand new release to share with you today. This printable planner pack is called My Sweet Planner and it's available on our website, and I'll post that link below. So this pack here comes with 38 stickers. It has the 12 months and dates and then a few more design elements. So this year I've decided to use a Scribbles That Matter B5 bullet planner, and I'll show you a spread idea. So I'll just go to June here. So when I'm using printable packs, I like to print them out and cut them up right away, or I find they just kind of sit there. So I'll go ahead and get these all cut out now so that they are ready. Most planners have a pocket at the back, so I put the stickers that I use most often back there. But for other ones, like ones I don't use very often, I like to store them in a photo book, and one day I'll show you how I store my planner stickers. And I have a lot. This design element here I like a lot because you can either cut it into strips or cover mistakes in your planner with it, or use it for like a whole sheet for note-taking, whatever you like. So I'll just finish this off and then get to the spread. And I'll just get this cleaned up here. Oh, and I'd like to mention that we are going to have some tutorials on how you can use up your paper scraps. So if you do like to keep your paper scraps like me, we have some great ideas coming up for you. Okay, so now I'm just going to figure out what elements I'll use for my page and see how that looks. There's a ton of printables and digital goods on the DIY Craft Club site, so please check there often because we have some pretty exciting things going on, and we're adding more and more to the collections all the time. And we have a really great influencer program, so if you want to check that out, you might be able to get access to our whole collection of downloads and printables to use for your own channels and blogs for free. So I think that looks good, and I'll just glue those down now. And I think in the next video, I'll show how our planner packs can be printed on sticker paper. So I'll have to get some of that in. If you have a particular brand of sticker paper that you like, leave a comment. I would like to check out your favorites. Okay, so I think that looks really great. And if you're like me, I love to add just a little bit of sparkle here and there, which is one of the reasons why I have so many sparkle polishes. Oh boy, that's another video. Well, I hope you liked our first Plan With Us episode, and if you do use My Sweet Planner for your planners and journals, please tag our Instagram because we would love to see your creations. Till next time, have a productive day.